Hey everyone! Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best electric chainsaws you can buy right now. I've compared 5 popular models to help you find the right balance of cutting power, safety, ease of use, and value, whether you're trimming branches or tackling bigger yard projects. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. CZI 40V 16-inch cordless chainsaw. Brushless electric chain saws with 2x4.0A batteries and charger, tool-free chain tension, auto-oiling, for tree trimming, wood cutting, yard work. If you're looking for a cordless chainsaw that delivers reliable cutting power without the hassle of a gas engine, the CZI 40V 16-inch cordless chainsaw is an excellent choice for homeowners. It's built for everyday tasks like trimming trees, cutting firewood, clearing storm debris, and maintaining your yard. One of its biggest highlights is the efficient brushless motor, which delivers smooth, consistent cutting performance while producing less heat and requiring less maintenance than traditional brushed motors. The included two 4.0A batteries are another major advantage. When one battery runs low, you can simply swap to the second and keep working, which is especially helpful for larger yards or longer projects. Convenience is also a strong point. The tool-free chain tension system makes adjustments quick and easy, while the automatic oiling system keeps the chain properly lubricated for smoother cuts and longer chain life. The 16-inch guide bar provides enough cutting capacity for most residential jobs without making the saw feel overly heavy. While it's not designed for professional logging or cutting massive hardwood trees every day, it offers more than enough power for typical homeowner needs. Overall, the CZI 40V cordless chainsaw is a dependable choice for DIY users and property owners who want cordless convenience, solid performance, and low maintenance. Number 2. Craftsman Mini Chainsaw, 10-inch mini chainsaw cordless, electric chainsaw, V20 battery and charger included, handheld tree trimmer wood cutter, CMCCS 610D1. The Craftsman V20 10-inch mini chainsaw is a compact, lightweight tool that's perfect for homeowners who need a reliable chainsaw for smaller cutting jobs. Whether you're pruning tree branches, trimming shrubs, cutting small logs, or cleaning up after a storm, this cordless chainsaw is designed to make those tasks faster and easier without the weight of a full-size model. Powered by the Craftsman V20 battery platform, this chainsaw starts with the push of a button, eliminating the hassle of gasoline, pull cords, and engine maintenance. The included battery and charger mean you have everything needed to start working right out of the box. The 10-inch guide bar is ideal for routine yard maintenance and light wood cutting. It's small enough to maneuver in tight spaces but still capable of handling common residential tasks around the yard. Because it's quieter than a gas-powered chainsaw, it's also a better fit for suburban neighborhoods where noise can be a concern. The biggest limitation is that it's not intended for heavy-duty tree removal or cutting large logs on a regular basis. If you need a chainsaw for demanding forestry work, you'll likely want a larger model. However, for homeowners, gardeners, and DIY users looking for a dependable cordless chainsaw for everyday property maintenance, the Craftsman Mini Chainsaw delivers excellent convenience, portability, and value. Number 3. Mini Chainsaw Cordless 8-inch, electric chainsaw battery-powered, brushless chainsaw with auto-oiler, 2 PCS battery, handheld saw for tree branch wood cutting, gardening tools for men dad husband. If you're looking for a lightweight cordless chainsaw that's easy to handle for everyday yard work, the Mini Chainsaw Cordless 8-inch is a practical option. It's designed for trimming tree branches, pruning shrubs, cutting small logs, and cleaning up storm debris around your property. One of its biggest strengths is the brushless motor, which delivers smooth, efficient cutting performance while producing less heat and requiring less maintenance than traditional brushed motors. Whether you're pruning fruit trees or cutting firewood for a backyard fire pit, it provides reliable power for most routine outdoor tasks. The automatic chain oiler helps keep the chain properly lubricated, improving cutting performance while reducing wear over time. Another major advantage is the included 2 rechargeable batteries. When one battery runs low, you can quickly swap to the second and continue working without waiting for a recharge. That added runtime is especially useful if you have multiple trees to trim or a larger yard to maintain. While this chainsaw isn't built for cutting large hardwood trees or handling demanding commercial jobs, it performs very well for everyday residential use. Overall, it's an excellent choice for homeowners who want a portable, easy-to-use cordless chainsaw that combines convenience, dependable performance, and low maintenance. Number 4. Sepui Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch Portable Electric Chainsaw with 2 batteries / automatic oiler / security lock / powered small handheld saw for trees branches trimming gifts for father men dad husband. The Sepui 6-inch Mini Cordless Chainsaw is built for homeowners who need a compact and easy-to-use tool for light-duty cutting jobs. Its small size makes it perfect for trimming branches, pruning trees, maintaining landscaping, and cutting smaller pieces of wood around the yard. Because it's cordless, you don't have to deal with gas, extension cords, or difficult pull starts, making it especially beginner-friendly. One of the highlights is its lightweight design, which allows better control and reduces arm fatigue during longer trimming sessions. The automatic oiling system keeps the chain properly lubricated for smoother cutting and less maintenance, while the built-in safety lock helps prevent accidental starts during transport or storage. The package includes 2 rechargeable batteries, allowing you to switch batteries and continue working when one runs out of power. This gives you more flexibility for larger cleanup projects without frequent interruptions. It's also quiet compared to gas-powered chainsaws, making it more suitable for residential neighborhoods. The biggest limitation is its 6-inch guide bar, which is intended for smaller branches and light cutting rather than large tree removal. If you regularly cut thick logs, you'll want a larger chainsaw. However, for homeowners, gardeners, and DIY users looking for a portable chainsaw for routine yard maintenance, the Sepui offers excellent convenience, safety, and everyday performance. Number 5. Oregon CS 1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw. If you don't mind using a power cord and want strong, consistent cutting performance, the Oregon CS 1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw is one of the best corded options for homeowners. It's designed for cutting firewood, trimming large branches, removing fallen trees, and handling demanding yard projects without worrying about battery runtime or gasoline maintenance. The standout feature is its built-in PowerSharp self-sharpening system. Instead of removing the chain for sharpening, you can sharpen it in just seconds with the push of a lever, helping maintain cutting performance while reducing downtime. This feature is especially valuable for homeowners who use their chainsaw regularly throughout the year. Its powerful electric motor delivers consistent performance from start to finish, making it capable of cutting larger logs and thicker branches than many compact cordless models. The automatic oiling system helps keep the chain lubricated for smoother operation and longer chain life, while the ergonomic handles provide better comfort and control during extended cutting sessions. The only real drawback is the power cord, which limits your mobility and requires access to an outdoor outlet or extension cord. However, if you primarily work around your home and want dependable cutting power without dealing with gas engines or battery charging. That's my roundup of the top 5 best electric chainsaws. Whether you're maintaining your yard, cutting firewood, or handling DIY projects, there's a great option here to fit your needs and budget. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.